Ease is an experience analytics engine. So think of us as a DVR for user experience. So using our software platform, people who are developing experiences for virtual, augmented, and mixed realities would be able to understand and react to user behavior like never before possible. And the way it works is developers would be able to easily integrate our SDK in either Unity or Unreal or Web or any environment which they are using to build these digital realities. And the data then comes back into our real-time dashboard where it is acted upon and also analyzed in the dashboard.
So essentially, we are feeding in real-time a huge amount of experiential data from sensors. And that can include an HMD, your VR goggles, or an AR set of glasses that feeds in pose and gaze data back to our HPC, where we process all of that data in real time using what we call our Anno.ai experience network, which takes a look at temporal contexts for user behavior and attempts to understand, or rather discover patterns and understand patterns, look at those patterns as new data is coming in so that we can automate responses to human behavior that is common. So we're primarily using, for at least processing all of this data, an HPC backend powered by Amazon AWS and NVIDIA GPUs. Everything that we do with dashboards is powered by the browser, and we're working on a solution using NVIDIA Grid that would allow us to do very complex VR dashboards for consuming data in VR that you can just simply stream to a browser and not have to have a high-powered PC.
So one of our recent implementations is a retail VR use case. They wanted to showcase the retail VR experience. And using our platform, they were able to analyze user journey on real time and then understand what people looked at, how long they looked at a particular object. So you can imagine all the data which is coming out, and you can build conversion analytics on top of it. So we have different applications in different industries. So think of industries like gaming, entertainment, amusement, retail, sports, healthcare. They're all fantastic applications for what we are working on and building. The important thing to understand is that the ease markers are free to download and implement when we release. And any developers of any virtual augmented mixed reality experiences would be able to embed these markers into various scenes which they want to understand and react.